Hi students, coming to the next topic in the subject database management system is decomposition. Now let us see what is a decomposition. So the name itself is saying decomposing means dividing. We are dividing whatever the table that is present, that we are decomposing into multiple tables. Dividing the tables into multiple tables. So why we are dividing this? So let us see what is it. So the main goal of decomposition. So what is the goal of decomposition? It eliminate redundancy by decomposing a relation into several relations in a higher normal forms. So that is a definition of the main goal of decomposition. So why it eliminates the redundancy of the table. What is the redundancy? A redundancy is nothing but a same piece of data is held in two separate places. Suppose the same data that is present in two separate places in the same table, then you call it as redundancy. Means the multiples. The same data is present in different areas in the same table. Okay, so to eliminate that redundancy, we used a decomposition technique. Means we are dividing. So the main goal of decomposition is eliminating redundancy by decomposing a relation into several relations. So a single relations will be divided into several relations. So whenever we are divided into several relations, we hope that it eliminates redundancy. Okay. So it is important to check that a decomposition, whatever you are decomposing the relation, that does not lead to a bad design. So you have to follow the rules. So based on the rules, you can divide the table into several relations, a single relation into several relations. So while you are dividing, while you are decomposing the table, you have to be careful that it does not lead to a bad design. Now let us see the definition of this decomposition. Let me write the definition in the terms of relations. So let R is a relation, nothing but a table name. Let R be a relation schema is a set of relation schema. Let us take a set of relation schema. So schemas are R1, R2, so and up to Rn. So these are the set of relational schemas. So different tables, means a single table R, a single relational table is divided into set of relational schemas R1, R2, so and Rn is a decomposition of the main table, that is the R. A set of relational schema R1, R2, so and Rn is a decomposition of R if it has to satisfy the condition R is equal to R1 union, R2 union, so and union Rn. So this is a decomposition. Means at main table, that is a relational schema is divided into set of schemas R1, R2 up to Rn. Okay. So whenever you decomposed tables, after union also, means after combining those set of relation schemas, you have to get the main table. Okay. So let me take the example, then you will understand. Let's take the relation. A relation R contains the attributes X, Y, Z. So this is R is a relational schema. So in that relational schema, there are three attributes X, Y, Z. There can be two subsets. Let us take two subsets. Means we are dividing the set of relation schema as R1 and R2. Okay. R1 contains X and Y attribute and R2 contains Y and Z. Means this complete relation is divided into two tables. Okay, this is R1 table and R2. R1 contains the attributes as X, Y and R2 contains Y and Z. Okay, so now we get the main relation R is equal to R1 union R2. So this is a decomposition technique. Okay, so just we divide the table into two tables. Again we union, means you are doing the R condition. R is equal to R1 union R2. So whenever you do the union operation or operation on these two relations, you will get the main relation. Okay, so there is a problem with decomposition. So whatever we are doing, we are combining the two tables. Then we are saying that we are get the main table. Okay, whenever you combine the new schemas, you will get the old schema. But when you are doing this, there is some problem. So what is that problem? Problem with decomposition. Let us see what is the problem. So given an instance of a decomposition relation, we may not be able to reconstruct the corresponding instance to a original relation. Means while you are reconstructing, okay, while you are reconstructing, means we are doing the union operation. While you are reconstructing, the corresponding information may not be available. Means whenever you are reconstruction, we may not able to get original relation. Okay, so after reconstructing, we may not getting the original relation. Means some information is losing, information loss. So that is a problem with decomposition. How the information is lost? Let us see. Okay, I'll take one simple example. Then you will understand what is how the data is losing while you are decomposing the table, and again you are reconstructing that. Okay, this is a problem with decomposition. So let us see this relation. I am taking a relation. So this is a table consisting of three attributes. Here I am taking. So this is the model name and the price of that model and the category. So this is a main relation table. A1 100, the price is 100. This is a Canon. Suppose S20 200 and the category is Nikon, and A20 this is 150 and this is also a Canon. So here the model A11 and the Canon category, but the price is 100. For while changing the model name, the price is also changing. Now I am decomposing this table. Okay, because this is you are having the redundant data here, so I want to decompose it the table. For this, first I am taking the R1 relation. So this is the R schema. So now decomposed into R1 and R2. R1 contains the attributes as XY, model name. Suppose I am taking the category A11 Canon, S20 Nikon, A20 Canon. Okay, now I am taking the another relation R2. I decompose this table into two relations, R1 and R2. Price, category, 100 Canon, 200 Nikon, 150 Canon. So up to here it is okay. So I reduce the problem of redundancy. So now no redundancy is there. Okay, reduce the problem of redundancy by decomposing the table. So after decomposing, you have to reconstruct it to make it as a original relation. Okay, so now I am doing union operation. R1 union R2. Okay, R1 union R2. So what are the fields here? So when I am combining these two, first is model name, price, category. Okay, so now do union operation. First A11 price is 100, category is Canon. Okay, again A11 price is, you are having two Canons. The category for Canon is you are having two. So A11 150 Canon. Now S20 price is 200 and these both are same, that is Nikon. Okay, again A20 the price is here, first the Canon category, the price is 100 Canon, and A20 150 price and the category is Canon. So is after union these two are equal. This is the old schema, that is the main relational table, and this is the reconstructed table. Is both the tables are same? No, these are not equal. So this is a problem with the decomposition. So whenever we have done our reunion or reconstruct R1 and R1 union R2, you have to get the main relation, main table. So that I have to get. But here, after doing the union operation on these two relation, the new table that I got is not equal to the old table, that is the main table. Okay, so this is a problem with decomposition. Thank you.